Hello everyone, this is my review of the EEFOW LED Rechargeable Portable Work Light. It does come with its own USB cable so you can recharge the light, and it has a light indicator to let you know how much power is left on the charge of the work light. It also has a magnetic bottom, as you can see here, and a hook in the top so you can hang it up if you need to. You see the power indicator here to let you know how much charge it has in it. It folds down nice and neat so it'd be compact when you need to store it, but when you need to take it out, you can angle the lights in many different ways so you can have the light any way you need it. You can even have it facing forward or back at the same time. But you just give a short press on the button and you can change the lighting from high to low, to have one to the other, alternating whichever you need it be. So it's good, versatile to switch the lights back and forth. You also have two additional lights on the tip of the wings, and when you do a long press on the power button, you turn those on, and you could shine those on just like a flashlight or angling whatever you need to angle. It also has pulsating for like SOS if you want to have like a signal for like emergency, like if your vehicle break down, you need to like signal to like let people know that you're in the area, so it can flash. So that's a pretty cool feature for that as well. Another cool feature is that you can use it as like a battery backup, like you need to charge your phone. You can hang it up to light up the area. And let's not forget about the strong magnetic bottom it has. We can stick it to a fridge or your car when doing maintenance. It's a pretty versatile light, and I hope this review helps.